Whoa, deja vu. Here is another polished brass Casablanca Four Seasons with Slumber Quiet. This one in particular has short walnut blades and is from 1983. As seen right here. And because it's from 83, it does have the slimmer sideband switch housing and switch cap. And it has a spiral down rod as well. And this fan does have its hang true, came 100% complete. And it has a very short chain with a Casablanca fob on it. I know I've said it before, but I'll say it again. I really love the Casablanca Four Seasons, especially the variable speed ones, meaning, cardboard box variable and Slumber Quiet ones. Very classy fans. I really like the look of them. Probably one of my favorite fans of all time. Just the look, the design, the control, everything about it is just really nice. But of course, cardboard box variable speed Four Seasons are somewhat hard to come by, so yeah, most of the ones I have are Slumber Quiet. Anyway, so now I'll go ahead and ignite power. Starting off as slow as the fan can go, which, as you can see, is pretty darn slow. There might be a slight wind resistance from the AC that's currently blowing. You can see the vent on the edge of the screen on the right. Give it a little push. This is one of the slower Slumber Quiet Four Seasons that I have, as some of the ones I own when they are with the smaller sized blades go kind of faster at their minimum speeds. But this one, no. Even with the small blades, this one goes really slow at minimum speed. We'll turn it up a bit. And this fan is in very good shape, cosmetically. The brass is in good shape, no nicks or dings anywhere. And both the motor and bearings are silent. And full tilt. And this fan flies with the little blades. Nice and powerful. And there is yet another Casablanca Four Seasons with Slumber Quiet in polished brass.